In this video, I'll be showing you how to use eco mode for long sessions on your ROG Xbox Ally X. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you want to prolong your battery life, you might be going on a long journey, and you want the most battery life possible from your device. All you got to do is go ahead and press your command center button. It's going to look something like this. Then you're going to see operating mode right here. And all you want to do is switch to the silent operating mode, which uses 13 watts. Now, bear in mind, when you switch to silent, you're not going to be able to play any really demanding games like GTA, Call of Duty. You're going to be on really low FPS with them because 13 watts isn't a lot of power, and your fans aren't going to be running that hard, and your whole device just isn't going to be using that much power to use on those games. But if you're playing something really light and you're not needing a lot of FPS, then this is definitely the way to go. So this is the eco mode basically. And then what you can also do to get even more battery life is change your resolution from 1080p to 720p, limit your FPS to 60 or even 30 if you're playing an old game, and then also change your refresh rate to 60 Hz as well. And finally, if you have your volume down, even muted, and then your brightness low as well, then that's also going to help with your battery life, and that's going to be as eco as you can make your ROG Xbox Ally X. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also check out our other ROG Xbox Ally X videos on this channel.